Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix sorry this Adobe app is not available. Step 1. Close all Adobe programs before you start the fix. Make sure all Adobe programs are closed. This step is essential to ensure that the changes you make in the following steps take effect. Step 2. Open the terminal. Press Command press word to open Spotlight. Such type terminal and hit enter. Terminal is a command line interface for Mac users that allows you can execute commands to manage your computer settings. Step 3. Edit the host file in the terminal. Windows type sudo nano etc. host and hit enter. This command opens the host file and which is a plain text file used to be a computer's operating system to map hostnames to IP address, and you will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password and hit enter. Step 4. Add Adobe block list to the hotslave. Once you are open the hotslave, scroll down to the bottom of the document and paste all address listed in the black Adobe section of the post and in the addition to those address and following address. Step 5. Save and close the host file. Once you are added to the address, press Ctrl plus X to exit the file. You will be prompted to save the changes. Press Y and then hit enter and you will be returned to the main screen of the terminal. Step 6. Flush the DNS cache in the terminal. Paste of the following command and sudo kill all hoop mdsnr responder and sudo ds cache util plus cache, and this command flushes your computer's DNS cache and ensures that the changes you made to the host file take effect. Step 7. Restart Adobe app. Now that you will made the necessary changes your computer settings, you can restart your Adobe app. You should no longer receive the sorry this Adobe app is not available error message, and the app should work correctly. Thank you.